So hey guys, Tracy here from Life from the Clearance Aisle. I'm doing a little cleaning today. First thing you saw was me washing my hair. For whatever reason, when I wash my hair, I usually wash it in the sink or in the bathtub like that. I don't wash my hair when I take a shower or when I take a bath for whatever reason. So here I am. I've let my vanity and bathroom get messy. So I'm just going to get it together and get it cleaned up. I hope this gives you some inspiration to do some cleaning. And if you haven't, if you will subscribe, like the video, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Hope you guys are having a great day. My husband comes in and he asked me, wasn't I embarrassed to show everybody how messy I let the bathroom get? And I told him, absolutely not. This is real life. We work, we get busy. We don't have a maid that comes in and cleans. So this is real life. We let our stuff get messy sometimes, and then we gotta get it together and get it cleaned up. So here you go. I do sit down here and dry my hair. I take a break from cleaning and dry my hair because I do have to go back to work. I drive a school bus, so I drove this morning and I came home and did this, and then I got to go back this afternoon. So I take time here, and I'm going to blow dry my hair, which I don't show you, and then I, of course, get back to cleaning. I hate these shower doors. They're so hard to keep clean. We need to redo this part of our bathroom, but of course we haven't yet. Get water stains on the glass and stuff, and I hate looking at that. So here I am trying to get all those water stains off, and at least so when you're in the shower you can look out and see if there's somebody in there with you. And here I am showing you the finished product. We've recently, within last year, had our house, the inside of our house painted. And I still haven't put all my decorations back up. Still trying to decide what I want to keep or what I want to get new. But yeah, here it is, all clean. I don't have any kind of organization system for my stuff I keep on my vanity. I desperately need to figure out what I want to do, but until then, I just leave what I use sitting right there on the vanity. I guess that's how it gets so messy. I need a picture for right there over my bathtub, a mirror, something right there, and then need to add some pictures or some kind of decorations up there on that wall too as well. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and look forward to seeing you in the next